Do you need to create a mind map using Miro? Well, follow this tutorial and I'll show you everything that you need to know. So to get started, you're going to come over to Miro.com, and right from here, you're going to go up to your dashboard and you'll see mind map, and it's pretty simple from here. We're going to open up a mind map, and this will give you essentially a blank canvas, and you can actually customize this completely. So as you can see, this is what it starts out with, and there's a few ways you can actually go about creating this mind map. So first of all, you can literally create it manually with the tools on the left. So you see there are sticky notes, text boxes, shapes and lines. There are freehand drawing tools. There are frames, stickers, emojis, GIFs. You can comment, and then you can also add your own tools, media, and there's a bunch of integrations as well. As you can see here, there are so many things you can do here. So really you can customize it to your liking. One of the other ways of actually doing this is just going up to the AI assistant. So this Miro AI, you can literally ask the AI to create a mind map for you. All you need to do is put in the details that you need. And I'm just going to use this one over here. So I'm going to go and enter, and within a few minutes, seconds, it will give me a fully customized mind map. Okay, now we have a mind map, and what else we can do here is actually just change the layout completely, again by asking the AI to create something for you in a different format. But this is a great way to do it. You can also, again, customize this fully. Now, the last way you can actually do this is going out of this AI, and over here you'll see templates on the left. Here again on the left there are tons of templates. You can choose from any one of these categories, and you can see that there are tons of templates within the categories. So you can go ahead and you can just hover your cursor over it. You can preview it, or you can just select the template, and it'll now be implemented onto your board. And when you're done, you can actually just fully customize it again. So let's zoom out over here, and you'll actually see that our mind map is really coming along. This is a completely different format all in all. So there are 3 ways that you can create a mind map with Miro. If this was helpful, share it with a friend.